In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add someone to WhatsApp group without being admin. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to the chats page. Then open the group conversation where you want to add members. Once you're in the conversation, at the top, you're going to find the group name. Click on that. Then scroll down. You will see the list of all the group members. Even if you are not the admin, some groups allow regular members to add participants depending on the group settings chosen by admin. If feature is enabled, you will see an add member or add participants option. Simply tap on it, search for the contact you want to add to the group, select their name and then tap on add. After that, the person will be added to the WhatsApp group successfully. However, if you don't see the add member option, it means the group admin has restricted member permissions and only admins can add new participants. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.